Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you or show you on how to fix Valorant Error Code 46. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the Start button at the lower left side of your screen and search for Task Manager. So now what you need to do is to find any associated applications with Valorant. So for example, Vanguard. So if you have Vanguard on your computer, just go ahead and find it right here. So for example, this one, because I don't have Vanguard on my computer. So just go ahead and right click on the Vanguard and click on the End Task button. So after that, just go ahead and X that tab. Now, just go ahead and again click on the Start button, search for Run, and type services.msc. Again, type services.msc and click on OK. Now here what you need to do is to search for VGC as in V for victory, G and C. Okay? So once you find the VGC, you need to make sure that the startup type is on automatic. So if your startup type on VGC is not on automatic, just go ahead and right click on that. Click on Properties. Here you should see the Startup Type and select Automatic. So once you've selected Automatic, just go ahead and click on the Apply button and click OK. Okay. So now just go ahead and click again on the Start button and search for CMD. So here at this Command Prompt tab, just go ahead and type ipconfig space /flush DNS. I'm sorry, that should be DNS. So, wait, let me just go ahead and do that again. ipconfig /flush DNS. There, so it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So after that, type again net sh space winsock space reset. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the enter button on your or enter key on your keyboard. Okay, so once you've clicked on the enter, what you need to do is to just go ahead and restart your device. So click on the start button, click on power and select restart. So once your device is restarted, what you need to do is to go to this PC, go to local disk C, click on Riot Games folder, select Riot Client. Here in Riot Client Services, right click on it, click on Troubleshoot Compatibility, and you just need to wait. Okay, so now click on Troubleshoot Program right here. So select this option to choose compatibility settings based on problems you notice. Check the box for the program requires additional permissions. So just go ahead and do that. So once you troubleshoot the Riot games, what you need to do is to just go ahead and try opening your Valorant again. Okay? And that should fix the error code 46 on your game. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.